Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. Just got a question from one of the Patreon members. Thank you very much, David. About yesterday I went over the doubles, and we use the doubles in the forward harmonics mainly on here using the this tool right here, which is the trend-based fib extension. By the way, if you want on your little mini bar, just asterisk. So the two ones I use all the time, fib retracement and trend-based fib extension. Let me go over how to set that up. So normally it comes with the fib levels. If you come here, settings, it's normally the fib levels. I don't even know if I have those saved at this point, but the normal ones we use, I deactivate every other one and use the 0.25 and 1.25. And then what you're going to want to do is come down here as a template and I just saved it as forward harmonics. We use the same one. If you hear me talk about reverse harmonics or forward harmonics, I should just rename this one. It's just harmonics. When I say you can call it whatever you want, but it's the 12 and 12.5 and 25% again. And 12.5 is 0.125, and this is 0.25. So when we're doing forward harmonics, for example, this is the SPX. If I wanted to come down here and do forward harmonics in case we went to a new high, I just click down. So I clicked on the 19th of August, and I clicked on the high twice, the 2nd of September. Because it's clicked twice, you see there's 3 data points. Okay? So when you click twice, it anchors and anchors again. We want to do the projection from the swing levels. And it's just the opposite for going down. So if I was back here in time at the 19th of July and I came to this swing high, see, I would have done that. And look how nicely that looked. Look at that. 45.10, stopping there, then continued on, and we had 45.41, and then nice pullback. I didn't even plan it that well, but that's why these levels work so well. They're not trying to hit stuff exactly, but it gives you a great indication of where reversals can take place. Now for the double. So if you saved it, let me go back to that again. If you've saved it, then you can come down here and you can choose your templates. See, I have templates. So I have also set up a template for double. Now, I don't have, let's pretend this was going to be a double top here. Ignore this price data. So let's pretend back in time, it looked like, oh, so we might have a double top. Well, I talked about the conservative and aggressive settings. Conservative is from the shorter side swing. I don't even know if this is a valid setup, but we're just going to go, it's clicking on a swing high, clicking on the base of a double top, and it's opposite for double bottom, and then clicking again. And as I went through yesterday, the levels are, of course, you have 0. Make sure you have 0 highlighted. Make sure you have 1 highlighted. So you need 0 and 1, and then you use 0.5 and 0.75. And it's the same clicking pattern. Now go down to template again and save it. Do a save as and name it double, or whatever you want to call it. But I just call it double because it could be for double tops and double bottoms. So that gives me the anchor point, the 50% projection, the 75%, and the 100%. And those are your key levels. And then if we were going to do the aggressive, it would have been from this side. So you see how it's longer. And remember, it's always reversing a move. But that's what you want to watch. So if you change that and you don't have it saved, then the next time you come here and, oh, I need to do my harmonic projections, it's going to default to the last one you used. And see, now I have the doubles. But if you have it saved, then you go to template, forward harmonics or whatever you want to call it, and you switch. And vice versa. Then if you spot a double top or double bottom and it comes up with the forward harmonics, you just switch it to the double targets and it switches. I hope that helps everybody. So again, we're using this fib extension, the trend-based fib extension, and we're modifying the levels to the harmonics. And the harmonics are the 8th harmonics. And by the way, I'll just go into, for the fib retracements, I'm using the fib retracement tool, which is on that same menu, and it's called fib retracement, and I have it like favorited, so it comes up on my favorite bar. Then I come over here to settings, and all you see here is 0.125, 0.25, 0.375, 0.5, 0.625, 0.75, 0.875, and 1. And then you can come down here and save it as a template. You can call it GAN retracements, harmonic retracements, whatever you want. So if you still use fibs or you have a bunch of other key things in there, you can save them all as different templates. And then if you want to reproduce what I'm doing, that's you just choose your retracement harmonics and you get the retracements. For example, on this little up move, we had that correction pattern, and again, coming down, there's a 62.5. Here's the 50. I mean, look at these levels right down to the 50. Let it bounce up and see how it bounces between these levels really nicely. That's what you're looking for. It works better than the fib levels. I've tested this out for years. A lot of people don't know this. This is our secret, or whoever subscribes to this channel now. So the secret's out. But that's how you use those levels. Also, hope this helps everybody. Leave some comments on this. Like the video. Yeah, I hope you like this video. This is useful stuff. You know, let's share this with some more people. Again, thank you to everybody who's donated via Patreon, or again, buy me a cup of coffee. There's 2 options if you want to donate. You know, it's not required. I'm going to keep putting out the free information and help everybody become a better trader and investor with some simple techniques that really, really work over the long term. So if you can help support the channel and you've made some money off these techniques, or you want to keep it going, just a small donation every now and then does help. Talk to everyone later. Bye for now.